Okay, welcome to Mastering Excel YouTube program. We are starting a live enhancement program uh, using how to use Excel. So our training will start from to establish the Excel users' current level of competency. 33% of estimated users are at the beginner level. 64% of estimated users are at intermediate users, and only 3% of the estimated users are at expert level. So our commitment to the future will be develop until macro, VBA, pivot table, and can even run an organization using Excel sheets with the help of merging data. So we used Excel to run the program in engineering, stocks, purchasing, HR, lab, CPI, BOM, routing, finance, HR, payroll, operations department using macro protected files, as well as pivot table, as well as link presentation for day-to-day meetings and presentation of the management meetings. So let's start with the simple formula usage of Excel. So let me adjust the screen first. Okay, so here we go. So how to use the Excel formulas at the beginning. So for a very beginner, if we look at it, we can add two numbers just using equal. For example, A5 plus B5. If I double click here, it shows the cells. So that shows the results, and the formula is given besides. And to copy the formula here, you can just drag it down. It copies beautifully, and the values keep changing. For example, if I change it, it changes automatically. So that's all about additions. Subtraction can be done in the same manner. It's done with the equal to and A12 minus B12. You can use the similar sheet for your trial so that you get the same results as we have seen here. So how to do this is just press at the equal button, go here, press the plus button, go here, that's it. Sorry, I need to use the minus sign here. So that's how the subtraction works. Multiplication works in the same manner. If I just change the number here, it changes to 100. For example, here it takes A18 plus B18 times B18, A18 times B18, that's how it works. So the formula is given here for your reference. Okay, now let's look at it, how to make a quick sum of a long range of data. This can be 4 or 440 or 4000 or even 400,000 data. So here you can just add the numbers by going to the auto sum function here. Double click at the auto sum, enter. As simple as that. Or you can do the same way, just use the sum, add in, yes, you get the results as per the formula. So the formula is sum G13 to G18. Okay. Now let's look at the average, how to calculate the average. Average, you can use it just by this. So average is 42.5. You can adjust the column width just like that. So here, for example, I want to copy this average here to the bottom here. But now when I look at the average, it's inconsistent. That's why the error is coming out. So now I double click it. I just drag the cell. So then you get the average for the complete picture. Then the error is gone as well. So Excel is quite smart enough for you to prompt an error when there is a error can happen. So here it goes for the minimum. It works in the same manner. Minimum, min equals minimum, close bracket. So here you get the minimum is 20. Same way, I copy any formula here to the Excel file. So here I look at it. Again the error is prompted out because here you can see it very clearly. There are 4 cells, you are taking the minimum. Here you are taking the minimum for 5 cells. So then you double click at here, you just drag the formula. So now I'm lazy a little bit, so I'm just trying to copy the minimum to the maximum here, and then I just change the word maximum. So it shows the maximum. So in Excel, when you copy the cells, it takes the reference from the cell which originally it comes from. Here it comes from the M column, M6 to M9. Here it goes to the P6 to P9 because that's the beautiful of the Excel work. So here again I copy the same thing again, then I double click it, I just drag it. So here you get there are 4 formulas which you have learned, sum, average, minimum and maximum. Now let's look at it. Copy function and paste function, we have seen it, and here you can see copy only the format. Okay, so how to copy? I just go here, I want to create another box here, copy this one, I want to create another box, go here, paste. You can double click at here, only the formats. So only the format has been copied, nothing else. So same way you can copy the same thing here to the next one, and then here you can paste it as paste special, only the formula. So here you can see the difference. Now I can merge these two, copy again, paste again, paste special, formats. So here you get the same thing. So I transfer the title here, so it makes it clear for you how you can use the Excel for the things. So here there is a little bit of advanced tricks which we can use it, but I will cover it in the next sessions. So this portion I just remove it and I just show you this portion, so which is more relevant for you. So how to go here? Go for the paste here, paste special, then your prompt with the same thing. Okay. Now one of the important thing which I would like to transfer here is copy this value from horizontal to vertical. So how to do that? Go here, paste special, paste transpose. So here you can see the information which is in the column has been transferred to the row, has been transferred to the column. Okay, so okay, while we are here, the important things which I would like to share with you is on the Files tab. On the Files tab, when you click at the new, it shows a blank worksheet. So you can just click at the new, and then the next one you want to save it. So you want to save it to your desktop, and you give the book name. So I just give a example. Okay, here most important thing is for you to know is how to protect your work, when there is multiple user in your office or something which you would like to not share at this point of time, or if it is in a draft version, then you do not want to share this work. So you can use two options here. General option, one is to use password to open the file. So another one is to password to modify. So the password to open is more stronger compared to password to modify, because modify it can people can view the data, but they can also modify the data. So it's up to you to set your security features. Okay, so now we come back here to the Excel. Usually open the new book using this. If you want to open the existing file, you just go to File, Open. Then if it is in the desktop, let's say you want to open these files, it just opens the file just like that. And to save the file, we have already seen this. Save and save as is the same concept. Save is usually used for the files which are already existing. Save as is for the new worksheets. Here I have shown you the file name, how it works, the tools for your information, where you can find the general option. Then you can create a password, but it's at the beginner level. It's better to write down the password and keep, so in case you don't forget it. So to make the user to master the Excel sheets, which can be very useful for your career, for your business, and you become an expert user, so that you can do multiple task analysis, analytics all together using the Excel. Thank you very much for joining us. If you like it, please share it. Click at the bell icon for subscription, so that you get the notification of each and every files which we upload into the YouTube. And thanks best for watching. Like us. Thank you.